Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to day 10 and 11 of Vlogmas. Hope you guys are feeling great today. I am getting ready to take some trash out. As you can see, it's already by the door waiting on me. My friend Danny is coming by so I can do her makeup. I have not done makeup in so long. Like, I used to freelance makeup. You do freelancing makeup. Yeah, it's been quite a while since I've really done someone else's makeup other than my own. So I'm a little excited. I already got my brushes washed, and I told her to bring her like makeup bag just in case I don't have what she needs or what she uses. Even though I still have quite a bit of makeup, I did leave a lot of things that I wouldn't personally use every day. I left it at my dad's in my old filming room, and I still have a lot of stuff here, but it's like that storage closet right there, and I just don't feel like going through it. So, and plus the fact Danny and I are about the same complexion, so I'm sure a lot of the products I use will work for her complexion. I don't know if I got a different kind of snickerdoodle last time, because I remember the last time I burned this type of candle, it was like more of a whiter package. So I don't know if it was just straight up snickerdoodle. I don't know why I can't say it. I don't know then if it was just straight up snickerdoodle, because this one's sugared snickerdoodle. So I don't know if that's like different than the one I was burning last time. But like, it's like, as you know how you leave a room or you leave the house and you come back and you can like really smell what it smells like. It's like when I came back, it was just, it smells good nonetheless, but it just does not smell the same. I said all that to say, I started burning this one, Be Merry, and this one is spiced apple. Plants are so dramatic. Let me tell you something. This joint was like so droopy. It was so droopy, and I water it constantly, but I think I missed like a day or two, and it like drooped so much. So I said, let me put your tail by the window again, get you some water, and like now look at it. It's nice and perky. It still has a lot of, you know, because the leaves are a little dry, so it could probably use a little bit more water. But I'm like, plants are so freaking. I told you I was gonna stop saying freaking. I'm sorry. I spent so much time yesterday trying to get Vlogmas 6 through 8 up last night, and it just took forever, y'all. It just took forever, but it is finally up, so it will be up here in the cards if you want to catch up on it. It's about 51 minutes. Honestly, I thought it was longer than that, but I didn't notice that it was 51 minutes until like it was posted. Not posted, but like once it was actually uploaded to YouTube when I was editing my description box and stuff. So anyway, maybe it's just me, but like my mattress is so comfortable. Like my sheets are literally right here, clean and ready to be put on, and I'm laying beside the sheets. That's what I'm excited about. Like my new place has so much storage, because like look at this. It's like this place has like no storage. Like everything is just up and out. Like just stuff is just out, okay? Then like my computer desk, Lord help it, it's just always full of stuff. Let me know down below if you guys use a sweat belt. And if you do use a sweat belt, let me know if you see any like differences with using a belt as opposed to not using a belt. I've had that sweet sweat belt for probably 2 years now, and I've probably only like trained in it twice. If I still have the video on my phone, I'll put it here, but I was so skinny when I was using that sweet sweat belt. I need to go ahead and take this trash down because Danny will be here in like 30 minutes. And the trash stinks. Yeah, let me go handle that. I'll be back. Hey, mommy's back. Come here. Come. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Good job, mama. Good girl. Here. There goes your bone. So before Danny comes, I'm gonna put my sheets on my bed because I'm tired of looking like I'm a trifling person. Like I don't put sheets on my bed, knowing good and well I do. Up, trying to get the basics out of there before my day really starts. But yeah, I got my hand towels, wash rags, some more hand towels and wash rags. The only thing that really annoys me is that I really don't have anywhere to store my towels. Like my towels, I used to store my towels on top of this thing, but that thing is a little wobbly. So then I was putting them on top of here which I may just have to go back to doing because I just don't have all the extra space in the world, you feel me? Got pads sitting out, like, what, Jalen? What's going on? Okay, what is really happening? I'm getting ready to go to the bathroom and get myself together. 3, 2, 1. Whoop. I just did a reel. I'm so proud of myself. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for like showing. This is what it looks like. I want to show you guys this dress because I feel like I might get questions, but even if no one asks, at least you'll know what it is. I gotta put y'all farther away so you can see. I feel like I need to go somewhere and, ooh. I'll put it up here on the screen on where it's from. Yes, I'm currently sucking in my stomach because I don't want to seem, okay, this is me, like, let's just be real, okay? This is me relaxed in the dress, okay? Relaxed. I got a little belly. Not much, but it's a little belly. But, hold on. Suck it up, you know, adjust it. Period for the picture. I want to look like this all the time, just flat. We ain't there yet, but you know what I mean. So this dress, I'll have it on the screen, but I got this dress a while ago, and when I tell you, this has been washed, and it hasn't been worn like that. I will say that it has not been worn like that, but I mean, it's been washed, it's been worn a couple times. I mean, it's so cute. I mean, the perfect holiday date dress or going out somewhere if you don't want to be like too crazy. I mean, the color is there, it's long sleeves. I mean, if you want to wear it off the shoulders, you can, or if you want it, you know, all the way, if you want more cleavage. I mean, I just love this dress, and let me show you the other one from the same boutique. This one has, ooh, look at my, come on, lighting. And this one's from the same boutique as well. This one is just, it's literally the same type of dress, it's just short sleeves. And look, like, it's crazy stretch. Like, look how skinny it is, like, once it's washed and everything. Like, who wearing that? But you see the stretch, and it's long, like, whoop. I need to grow up. So this is the chicken. It looks like this. I got another one that has like chicken, carrots, and green beans in it. So I don't know. It's still from Caesar's too. See y'all, this is how we really dress out here when we film. Got your top on, everything up top looks, you know, and then, hey. I did these cute little things, like they're really cute. Good. Hey guys, so my work day is pretty much over. The only thing I have to do now is start to edit, not tomorrow's vlog, but the next day's vlog, because I'm catching up. I'm still behind, but I'm catching up. I low-key want to go to Best Buy and get me a new camera, at least to look around, you know, like just to price one or two. Alrighty guys, I promise you, it ain't nothing like getting in a clean spanking car, okay? I'm getting ready to head to Best Buy. And I'm just gonna like look around. I'm just gonna look around and see what kind of cameras they got, because I need my like vlogging experience to be better than this. Like, I don't believe my quality is what it should be, and I don't like it. This one is the Canon G7X Mark III, and this one is nice. It's got more grip. I think it has like more of a stabilizer in it too. I like this. I'm looking at the thing in here, just trying to see if this is what I want. Cause like I need another like my Canon is falling apart. Like it's not even good no more.
Alright, here you go.
Okay.
Oh, you're good.
Okay.
And
Thank you.
let us know if you need anything else, alright?
Okay. I mean, I'm excited. Sonny done put me on to a new camera, so I'm definitely excited. So, cause this one is like on its last leg, and I still like to use this one for photos and stuff. Did that mask got my makeup looking real stupid. All right, you guys, I'm finally back home from Best Buy. I ended up getting some Chipotle for dinner, and this looks terrible. All y'all can see is lip liner. Anyway, I got they call it a veggie 3-pointer bowl or something, but it was literally lettuce, brown rice, black beans, and then some vinaigrette dressing all in it. But anyway, I ended up getting the Canon. I'm so excited because you guys know I have been talking about how trash my camera has been. So I'm definitely excited to have something different, something new, something fresh. Sunny, shout out to you. This is the camera Sunny uses too. So she is pretty much the reason why I ended up getting this one, because while I was down there in DC with her, her camera was just, it was just all that, okay? It was just nice. Should I do like an unboxing? Only thing is, I definitely forgot to purchase me another type of tripod, because the tripod that I'm currently using is on the smaller end, and I know for a fact it's not going to hold this camera up. This camera is a bit bigger. Why is my lighting acting stiff? See, this is what you see? Hang on. Here we are. So this is what is inside. You got the little strap. We got, so I was gonna get the Canon Mark III, which is basically just like the camera I've already been using. Sunny suggested that it's probably not gonna be too much of an upgrade. All right, here is the body. Here is the charger. And here is the lens. Get into it nice and clean. And then this is the kit lens that comes with it. This one is a 15 to 45 millimeter lens. So let's go ahead and piece this baby together. I don't know if this has any battery life on it. If not, we'll just have to throw it on the charger. But I told Sunny she's gonna have to help me figure out how to use this thing. Shiny. So the battery thing is on this side. So I guess just pop this, pop that off. Battery goes in here. And then of course the memory card will go on that side. Let me grab a memory card real quick. Okay, y'all, I was gonna record, but just gave her a bath. Look at her hair, y'all. It is finally growing back. She has like this really pretty like blackish gray stripe going down her back. So it has been, I don't think it's been an hour, but it's been quite some time. So I'm gonna try the camera again. All right, so what I've noticed is like you have to like push this thing back, this little thing, and then it slips right in. Good job, Avery. You are such a good girl today, mama. Yeah, sweetheart, good girl. Okay, we have some action. We got a green light, so we're gonna open it up. So we got the screen joint right here. All right, so it's asking for, so it's definitely 12. So this I have to do the date. So today is the 11th, and then it is not 2017, it is 2020. And then rotate the lens to enable shooting. So Sunny was telling me like this little thing right here, you have to unlock that. Twist all the way. And then zoom it back out. Ooh, you can see the disgustingness. You can see the buffoonery of my makeup. Hang on. I'm gonna have to switch and just see how this films. Okay, I'm gonna switch cameras now. All right, you guys. Okay. This does not look bad. It's not as close. I don't know what it was about that lens in, I was about to say Bath and Body Works, but that one was just not giving, okay? That one, I don't know what that lens was doing. That one had me zoomed all the way in, because even me doing this now, like you can see my shoulders and stuff, like in the store, I mean, it was this situation. And that's why I kept asking Sunny, like, I know good and well you don't have no lens to do all this. Let me put you guys on the tripod. All right, I got you guys on the tripod. One more thing I'm gonna do is I have a microphone that I can use. Now, it's this one, it's the Rode mic. And see, this is why I really wanted this camera, because I can actually add a microphone to it to give me better audio. Hang on, first I gotta figure out how to do it. Oh my goodness! Let me take it to the bathroom. Bathroom's still gonna have terrible daggone lighting. That's just what the bathroom looks like. But I mean, what are we thinking? Sorry, excuse me, I just gave Avery a bath. What are we thinking? Is this okay? Is this better? I'm just happy to have another camera, because my other joint was just tripping. I mean, I don't know. Hopefully you guys can, I hope you guys can hear me. Let me see. I'm gonna have to ask Sunny what setting she got hers on, but this is it. I don't think I'll be able to really get like the full blast of it until like the daytime. But I mean, so far, I mean, I think it looks pretty good. What y'all thinking? What we think, guys? We in this thing together. What we thinking? Alright, you guys, I actually do not feel I actually feel okay, but like, so I'll let you guys in on something. Let me know down below if you guys have struggled. Mind you, this is for women. Men, you can skip this part if you are watching. But my girls have been really irritated and sore and itchy, and I don't know what's going on. My right one is a little bit more sore than the left. I was doing like a little at-home test, and something feels abnormal, something feels different for sure. So I'm going to the doctor in the morning and get it checked out. I'm gonna have to like set up some type of mammogram thing for Monday, since they're not gonna be open, just in case I may have an infection or something. I don't know where an infection came from. I have not done anything differently with body wash or fabrics that I wear or anything like that. I use the same stuff. I've always used the same stuff. So we're gonna see what's going on. Just wanted to properly end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. So as always, if you're new, I'm Jay. If you're not new, I thank you so much for supporting me with whatever I do here with my channel. I love each and every one of you to no end. And of course, until next time, God willing, I will see you all in tomorrow's vlog.